Hello, Kansas City, Kansas. The Gutter Guys are here, bringing top-quality gutter guard installations right to your doorstep.
Living in Kansas City means dealing with all kinds of weather.
That's why it's essential to have gutter guards that can handle the rain, wind, and debris. Our products are designed specifically for Kansas City's unique climate challenges.
We provide Kansas City, Kansas, with gutter guards that are not only effective but durable.
Our team is highly trained and ready to deliver solutions that will safeguard your home against water damage for years to come. Are you tired of constantly cleaning out your gutters? It's a chore that no homeowner enjoys. Gutter guards are an innovative solution designed to eliminate the need for frequent gutter cleaning. These guards fit over your existing gutters and are engineered to block leaves, debris, and even the smallest particles from entering your gutter system. Imagine never having to worry about water damage from clogged gutters again. Gutter guards protect your home from the foundation up, preventing costly water damage and reducing soil erosion around your property. By ensuring that water flows freely away from your home, gutter guards maintain the integrity of your roof, walls, and landscaping.
Moreover, gutter guards can save you money over time.
By reducing the need for professional cleaning services and preventing expensive water damage repairs, they offer a cost-effective solution to one of homeownership's most tedious tasks. Ready to stop cleaning and start saving? Contact the Gutter Guys today at 816-320-6605 or visit us online at thegutterguys.llc to learn more and get a free quote. Protect your home efficiently and economically with our top-quality gutter guards.
Thank you for considering the Gutter Guys in Kansas City, Kansas. We're committed to delivering the best in gutter protection.
Protect your home with us, and enjoy peace of mind no matter the weather.